At a majority of these conferences, you're going to get an economic update, you're going to get what's going on with AI, and then probably something to do with fraud. Those are probably your three biggest topics you're seeing everywhere.
Welcome in, everybody. You're listening to Wrestling Payments.
When instant payments came along, is that part of your process? Are people asking that question about onboarding a faster payment system at all? Or is that part of just the whole story?
People are probably leading that with our conversations when we get engaged, but once the consultants do get involved, that is going to get brought up. We ask for pain points. We ask what works well. How are these systems working? And in a negotiation, you don't want to go in with 200 pain points that you negotiate through. That's just way too many. So you highlight what's there. So we do hear about payments once we get into the nitty gritty of it, just like any other technology or whatever else they want to integrate with. But yeah, it is brought up for sure.